The player to watch for Australian eyes is Mitch Owen, because he's about to make his debut for Australia in the Caribbean in T20 cricket, and he has been tearing it up in Major League Cricket. He has 4 Player of the Match awards in a row. He scored 288 runs with 250s at a strike rate of 210. So he's striking it over 200. And add to that, he's the second leading wicket taker of the competition with 14 wickets. His economy is under 9 and over. And his best bowling figures are 5 for 17, which are the best bowling figures in the comp so far.